Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to continue restoring my vintage candy. And I pulled some out here to talk about, and I have one to restring today. So this is one of my favorites. This wasn't traded to me. So I had a friend named Asia, and she was like, I'm done wearing candy. Like, she didn't want to wear candy anymore. And I think we were standing like near her trunk, and she had all her candy in her trunk, and I saw this one, and I remember her wearing it, and I always looked at it and wanted it, and I'm like, well, let me have this one. I think I had to beg her for it just because I thought it was adorable. The pattern's random, but I love this button. So technically this wasn't traded to me, but I loved it. I love it. Okay, I also have more jelly bracelets. I'm just going to keep finding these in here because I had quite a few. Looks like some of these are glow in the dark. These have like a shiny covering and some glitter. But you can tell these are faded. But they're still like holding up. Now this, I got my first year raving, and I absolutely love this one. There's different, I don't know if you can tell, but there's different size tri-beads. So these are the larger ones on this side, and then the standard size. I am pretty sure I don't know, did I restring this? I had to have, because I wore this a lot. But I remember back in the day, like anytime someone would let me like look at their arm to choose the candy, if I ever saw tri-beads or those like Fruit Loop, the disc beads. I don't have one right now to show you. I'm trying to look. But if I ever saw that on the candy, I would pick those out because I love these beads. I love tri-beads. Now here's another special one. I did restring this a long time ago. I got this my first year raving. And what's cool about this, so I'm pretty sure this was a Lisa Frank bead. But, you know, they make the frosted pony beads. That's what these look like, but they're actually glass. So this is like heavy. So these like glass pony beads, which are really cool, mixed in with some glow in the dark. I absolutely love this bracelet, and I like it because it's a bigger size. So you need candy in like all different sizes if you want to wear, you know, a bunch on your arm. So this was cool because I could wear it further back. Well, not so much with this cuff on, but I'm glad I have this one. I get to wear it again. And I don't remember who gave me that, unfortunately. Now this one I made, but it's loose. So we're going to restring this one today. But I love these big, giant hearts. I think I still have some in my collection. Maybe not all the colors, but this is a good one. Yeah, most of this was given to me, but it is It is kind of fun finding like a few that I made. Well, this is going to be an easy one to fix. But this one also needs cleaned up. I wore this one a lot too. But I love these beads. Oops. Did the wrong set of string. Alright, here's the old string. And I used a thicker string on this, I see. It's like way thicker. Oh, cool. Yay. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.